Right now, right this second, somewhere in the world, a player is pressing one single button. Just one. And in the next few milliseconds, that tiny click is about to go on the wildest journey you've never thought about.
19 layers, thousands of miles. All before you even see what happens on screen.
Let's follow it, step by step.
It all starts with the hardware. Your finger presses a button on a controller, or your mouse clicks.
And inside that little piece of plastic, an electrical signal fires almost instantly. But that signal is raw. It's just noise until something translates it.
That's where the driver comes in. Think of the driver as a tiny translator sitting between your hardware and your computer.
It takes that electrical pulse and turns it into something your operating system can actually understand, a clean, structured signal.
The operating system then takes that signal and hands it off to the right place, straight to your game engine.
Wow!
This is where things start getting exciting. The game engine reads your input and asks, what is the player trying to do?
Move left? Jump? Shoot?
That decision goes through the input system, which maps your button press to an actual in-game action. And once the game logic decides what should happen, say, firing a weapon, it doesn't just happen locally. In a multiplayer game, your action has to be shared with everyone else playing. That's where the network layer steps in, packaging your action into a tiny data packet. That packet leaves your device and enters the internet, racing through cables, routers, and servers, sometimes crossing entire countries in a matter of milliseconds. It finally lands on the server network, where it's handed to the server logic, the brain that decides what's really happening in the game world.
Here, physics kicks in. The server calculates trajectories, gravity, collisions,
Figuring out exactly where your bullet, your jump, or your movement should end up. Should end up. Then comes hit detection, the moment of truth.
Huh? Did your shot actually land? The server checks positions, timing, and hitboxes to make the final call.
Once the server has its answer, it updates the game state. The official version of what just happened in the match. But that update means nothing if only the server knows about it. So it gets replicated, sent back out to every single player's game. So everyone sees the same reality.
That data races back through the network, across the internet again,
and finally arrives at your client, your game, running on your machine.
The renderer takes all that information and turns it into visuals.
And your GPU works overtime, crunching millions of calculations to draw every pixel, every frame in real time. And finally, that image reaches your monitor. Light hits your eyes.
You see the result of your button press. All of that, 19 steps, potentially thousands of miles, happened in under 100 milliseconds. Less time than it takes you to blink. So next time your shot doesn't register, or your jump feels a split second late, now you know it's not just bad luck. It's a 19-step journey that has to go perfectly every single time. Which honestly makes online gaming feel like a bit of a miracle. If this blew your mind even a little, hit subscribe, because next time we're diving even deeper into what journey goes wrong.